Reaction with nitric acid. So where did this come from? We don't want to study reactions now. It is very simple. Don't worry. We don't have to do any reactions. We just have to understand the concept of nitric acid. Nitric acid, one of the most strongest acid. When metals react with nitric acid, H2 gas is not evolved. Remember, when metal reacts with HCl, it forms metal chloride plus H2 gas. So why H2 gas is not evolved then for your nitric acid? Because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. What do you mean by oxidizing agent? An oxidizing agent oxidizes someone. Now, if it has to oxidize someone, the product is H2. So it oxidizes H2 into water. So hence H2 gas is not evolved. If H2O is evolved, I can say that it itself reduces. If there is one oxygen going, it has to be reduced from itself. So reduces itself to NO, that is nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide or dinitrogen oxide, that is known as nitrous oxide. So these rules only apply to all the metals, exception magnesium and manganese. Very dilute HNO3 reacts with magnesium and manganese to evolve H2 gas. Because very dilute HNO3 is a weak oxidizing agent, which is not able to oxidize H2 into H2O. The reason is the concentration of HNO3 is not that much to make it oxidize, to oxidize the oxygen. We'll understand that. Let's see the magnesium reaction with dilute acids. Let's start Mg plus HNO3. You tell me magnesium is a metal, so it is going to be positive. H is going to be positive, NO3 is going to be negative. So when magnesium reacts with NO3, it will do so with the help of valency. So magnesium's valency is 2. NO3's valency is 1. Nitrate valency 1. Crisscross MgNO3 twice. H is going to come out. So MgNO3 plus H, sir. No, plus H2 gas. So let's balance this reaction. Mg is 1 on the left hand side, 1 on the right hand side. H is 1 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side. So multiply left hand side HNO3 by 2. NO3 becomes 2. NO3 is already 2. The reaction is balanced. So let's see the reaction of manganese. Manganese reacts with dilute nitric acid to form manganese nitrate and hydrogen gas. Let's see Mn plus HNO3. Again, Mn is positive, NO3 is negative. It is going to react and form MnNO3 twice. Mn valency 2, NO3 valency 1, crisscross MnNO3 twice, plus H is going to given out as H2 gas. So manganese does react, magnesium does react only with dilute acids because there are not enough NO3s to oxidize the H2, because acid splits up as H plus and NO3 minus. So you have to remember, if there is less NO3, it will not reduce itself. In fact, all the NO3s are reacting with Mn and Mg. So that is the reason why Mg and Mn do not oxidize themselves, do not form water. We've studied a very important thing, nitric acid, very important. Aqua regia, even more important. There are so many scams out there where people trick you in asking you gold and they'll polish it for free. Why will someone do a work for free, my dear friend? They are using this Aqua regia, one of the most strongest mixtures ever. It is a freshly prepared mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 in the ratio of 3:1. So sir, what does this Aqua regia do? It does nothing. It is highly corrosive and fuming liquid. So sir, if it is corrosive, then big deal, sir. It is highly corrosive, fuming liquid which can dissolve gold and platinum. What? Gold and platinum? Meaning, when they are polishing your gold, they are not doing it for free. The gold dissolves in Aqua regia and dilute you for much, much, much more than free. Even if 1 gram is dissolved in this aqua regia, they are going to earn 3,000 for just polishing one gold chain. So never ever in your life trust a person who asks for your gold and to polish it for free. Nothing is free in this world. So platinum and gold, after 10 years, it becomes a little less lustrous. So what do? You take it to the jeweler and jeweler polishes for it for 200 rupees. But you will notice that, I'll prove you that there is a scam behind this. He weighs it first. The weight would be 15 grams, and then what will he do? He'll take it inside, polish it, bring it back, it will be 14 grams. So 1 gram of gold in today's age is 3,000 rupees. God knows what the rate would be when you actually purchase it. So be aware of these scams which happen in the real world. More of this in the next module.